Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with charged earbuds and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. First, open the case near your phone so the pairing prompt appears. This triggers fast pair. Once the prompt shows, tap Connect to pair both earbuds simultaneously. This ensures stereo audio and unified controls. Make sure the Google app can manage device permissions, because that enables features like adaptive sound. If prompted, agree to notifications and location. They help stability and finding earbuds if misplaced. Once paired, open the Pixel Buds settings in the Google app to customize behavior. Set adaptive sound to let the earbuds change volume based on ambient noise. This keeps voice clear without constant manual tweaks. Next, assign touch gestures. Single tap to play / pause, double tap for next track, long press to summon assistant or toggle noise controls, so you work hands-free. Make sure left and right are mapped correctly, because swapping will confuse controls during calls and workouts. Finish by checking for firmware updates and testing calls and media playback to confirm settings. If audio drops, reconnect by toggling Bluetooth or reset the earbuds by holding the case button until LED flashes. This clears pairing records and often fixes stubborn issues. Make sure charging contacts are clean for reliable battery reports. Once done, enable Find My Device so you can ring missing earbuds. If problems continue, note the exact symptom and restart your phone before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.